Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here at Trader's Journey on YouTube. Excited to bring another stock to the channel, and this stock is Hapbee Technologies Inc. The ticker is HAPBF for the OTC listing, and in Canada it is listed as HAPB. So if you guys want to check it out, those are the ticker names. So this stock is in a space and sector which I see tripling, if not 10xing in the next few years. It is a space which I think is going to grow tremendously, and you guys know I've been talking about lockdowns and the effect it has had on mental health and people's well-being. So I'm particularly interested in disruptive stocks that are looking to hopefully help and improve people's well-being and health, and this stock is exactly that. So I'm going to get into the technicals as well as the fundamentals of this particular play, and let you guys know what my thoughts are and what I'm interested in about this stock. Just before I get into this video, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, it is traderjourney_official, so be sure to give me a follow there. If you have any questions or would like to get into discussions, feel free to message me there. I do tend to post there daily on my stories, Instagram stories, so feel free to join me there and watch out for those posts. So let's get straight into this. So Hapbee Technologies Inc. The charts are looking great. I'm going to go through the technicals first, and I'll let you know what I'm thinking from the technical perspective here. So I've actually charted some resistance and support lines here. We have seen all-time highs here of 1.03, and we have seen lows at 43 cents. So what I like to do, as you guys know, is chart my sort of support and resistance, and then I like to find out what the risk to reward is of a particular play. Now this particular stock, obviously I'm saying it's in a space which I think is going to grow tremendously over the next few years, but just from this alone, I'm going to be just showing you from the charts where I see this going in the next few years, and even months to weeks. So let's just go ahead and chart the support and resistance here. Just bear with me whilst I get this up. So let's find what the risk is here. HAPB is currently trading at 55 cents now with a potential low of 43 cents. The risk is pretty low. From my perspective here, the risk is pretty low. If you were to get stopped out at 43 cents, that is not the end of the world there. So I'm going to calculate what the risk to reward is here live for you, and let's see what the potential reward is. So knowing that we've been at highs of $1 here, this is a potential risk to reward looks absolutely amazing here based on the chart. So you can see what I like to see here is the risk to reward. So this risk to reward aligns with what I'd expect, and I like the charts here. The charts are looking good. Currently trading at 55 cents. So we're going to see how the market opens this today and see how it goes. But with this trading at 55 cents, all-time highs of $1, but the technicals haven't really caught my interest as much as what the fundamentals are telling me. So we're going to get straight into the fundamentals just to understand where this business is going and what direction it's looking to head to. So I've actually managed to pull up the website, which is hapbee.com. I'll try and link that in the description box below. And I've been taking a look at the website, and it's particularly interesting to see the space these guys are in. Now, you guys remember me mentioning there that mental health seems to be on the agenda for so many authorities, so many governments, because they realize the effects it's had on several people with these prolonged lockdowns, and it's nevertheless had a very, very bad effect on people's health and well-being. So when I see this stock and it's involved in this space where it's trying to improve the well-being and health as well as the mindset of people and its customers, it's very exciting to see this space grow. Now, it's obviously a very new sector, very new space. It's the first time I've seen this particular technology being used to help people's well-being. Now, I do understand there are the sort of other health sort of things you can buy to help track your health, help track your heart rate, but this is going above and beyond that. Now I'm going to go into some of the details what this company is doing. So you can see from the pictures of this website, they have a sort of headgear that you wear here, and it's helping you to understand your how you're feeling at particular points of the day, how you're being affected by that, and help you to alter how you're feeling depending on part of the day. So it blows my mind, this type of technology, which is why I'm so excited to see it. Now they have this license which the company has got has been built on basically a patent and they've managed to get the license to manufacture this product and put it out there. So you can see, you can actually wear this on the head, or you can actually have it dangling by your neck, which is pretty interesting. But I'm going to go into another article very quickly just to show you what I've been reading. Now, this article here by baystreet.ca says global wearable technology market could exceed $81.5 billion in 2021. Now, if you guys look at the likes of all the other technology which is currently out there to track your fitness goals, etc., but there's not much out there in this particular space, which is wearable technology that can affect your mood, which is insane. Now, obviously I understand that during certain parts of the day you feel sluggish, you feel slow, you don't feel happy, you feel miserable. This technology is hoping to change that, and ultimately it's going to improve people's well-being. Now, on this article here, we can see now more than ever, health and wellness are top priorities, creating big opportunities for companies such as Hapbee Technologies Inc. So we have seen other stocks like the likes of Peloton, who've created the fitness for home there, and all these other businesses trying to capitalize on this new movement in this sector. And you can see here, even there's a quote here, even before the pandemic, many people around the US were beginning to dabble in proactive and preventative health and wellness practices. So I think there's a particular big market for this, and I think it's going to be a growing market as mental health becomes one of those agendas on every authority and every government to make sure they address it and help people who have a problem with it. So looking further into this, we can see there's this article was written on 31st of March, so very recent. Hapbee Technologies Inc. just announced it signed a 12-month marketing services agreement. So that's good for the business to keep it growing, to keep it expanding, to help make people aware of their business. So I think it's an exciting one, and we can see here there's some figures that have been quoted here. A recent report from research house Gartner indicates a global increase in wearable sales of 18.1% versus 2020, totaling $81.5 billion. Adding that the global wearable device market to continue to grow beyond 2021 and reach $109 billion market in 2024. So I think this is going to be one of those stocks, one of those plays that we can grab these sectors early and manage to sort of capture that momentum where they start growing throughout the globe, and as the market grows as well for this particular product. Just flicking back to the website momentarily there. So I'm excited that these guys have this technology, which is again very new. First time I've come across this particular technology being used on a product, and you can see here from the website, change your state with HAPB. So you can actually go ahead on their website there, and it seems to be available. I'm just going to go into the product itself and just give you guys a bit more of an understanding. But it says here, happiness is a choice. Choose how you feel with HAPB, the wearable that aligns your mental state with your goals. So there's countless times where I've been looking to do some work, I'm getting particularly busy in the day, and I just don't feel the energy and motivation to do that. Now, there is obviously other ways you can get motivated, but this technology is looking to get solution head on and help people with that. So you can even have help with your focus, because so many people are distracted either through social media or whatever it is, busy throughout the day. You can maintain focus with this product, and you can send out these signals, as they call it. So I'm just going to quickly show you what the signals are. You can have these states of every situation there's a signal for. So this product helps you stay calm, happy, sleepy, relaxed, focused, alert. So all this sort of all the things that we would need in everyday life, this is providing a solution for. So it's very disruptive, very new, and I'm excited to bring this stock to your attention. You can see the prices here, very reasonable price for your well-being of $300 up front, so a pretty interesting price point. And you've got obviously the founders kit, which is more expensive, with a $799 one-time payment, and you get a lifetime access to the Hapbee Signal catalog. So a very new space, very new sector. Like I said, I'm really excited for this technology, because obviously it's the first stock I've mentioned on the channel in this particular space, in this particular sector. So we're gonna have to pay attention to see how far this goes, but based on the technology, I'm super excited, because mental health is at the forefront of many people's issues throughout this lockdown situation and the pandemic. People are going to be focusing on their health and well-being, and I'm really excited to see a stock that is facing this up front and trying to create a solution for an already existing problem. So that's really what I wanted to cover on the channel today, guys. It is HAPBF, otherwise it is HAPB. listed in Canada, and HAPBF for the OTC ticker. So be sure to check it out. I'll leave some links in the description box below. Just before I go, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, like I said, traderjourney_official. If you're new to the channel, new to this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, join the community, leave a comment if you guys enjoyed this video and interested in this company, and we will look to give you guys an update hopefully. So thanks very much for watching. We will catch you all on the next video. Take care. Goodbye.